Welcome to Studio X English Podcast.
I am Lina.
I am really happy you are here today.
And I am Eric. It feels good to spend this time together.
This podcast is a calm place to practice English. We speak slowly. We use simple words.
Yes, no pressure here, just real conversation.
Before we continue, please like this video. It helps more learners find us.
And don't forget to subscribe. You get more English practice every week.
Thank you for being part of this journey. Your support means a lot to us.
It really does. We appreciate you being here.
Today, we have a very common topic, a topic people ask all the time.
Oh, really? That sounds useful already.
Yes, people often ask one simple question: where are you from?
I see. That question comes up very often.
Many learners feel nervous answering it. They know the answer, but English feels difficult.
That's true. The words don't come easily sometimes.
Some people say only one word. Some people say nothing at all.
And then the moment feels awkward.
Exactly. But it doesn't have to be hard.
I agree. Simple English works best here.
Today, we will practice easy ways to explain, slowly, step by step.
That sounds comfortable. No rush at all.
You don't need long sentences. You don't need fancy words.
Just clear ideas and calm speaking.
We will share real examples you can use in daily life.
Yes, with friends, with new people.
This topic helps you feel confident, even in short conversations.
Confidence grows with small practice.
So stay relaxed, listen carefully.
And let the conversation flow naturally.
When someone asks where you are from, the answer can be very simple.
Yes, it does not need stress.
Many learners think too much. They search for perfect words.
And then silence comes. I know that feeling.
The easiest answer is just the place name, nothing more at first.
Like saying one city or one country.
For example, I am from Italy.
That already sounds clear.
Or you can say, I am from Karachi.
Simple and natural.
You do not need to explain everything. One short answer is okay.
The other person can ask more later.
Some learners worry about pronunciation. They feel shy.
But names do not need to be perfect. People understand.
You can also add one small detail, only if you want.
Like adding the country.
Yes, I am from Milan, Italy.
That helps listeners who don't know the city.
This is very useful with new people, at work or while traveling.
It feels polite and friendly.
Sometimes people ask again. They say, "Oh, where is that?"
That's a good sign. They are interested.
You can then say one direction, north, south, east, or west.
Still very easy English.
For example, it's in the north of my country.
That gives enough idea.
You are not giving a speech, just sharing basic information.
Like two people talking casually.
Short answers feel confident. They feel relaxed.
And relaxed English sounds natural.
So, remember, start small.
One place name is enough to begin.
You can always say more later.
Yes, the conversation grows by itself.
After saying the place name, some people want to add one small detail.
Yes, only a little more information.
This helps when the place is not famous or when the listener looks confused.
I see that often.
One easy detail is location, where the place is in the country.
That makes things clearer.
You can use very simple words, nothing complicated.
Like north or south.
For example, It's in the south of my country.
That already helps a lot.
Or you can say, it's near the capital.
That sounds very natural.
Some people add size, big or small.
Yes, people imagine the place better.
You can say, it's a small town.
Or it's a big city.
No numbers are needed, just a feeling.
Simple words work best.
You can also mention distance, but only briefly.
Not like a map lesson.
For example, it's about 1 hour from the city.
That feels friendly.
All these details are optional. You choose what to share.
There is no pressure.
If the other person is interested, they will ask more.
And that keeps the conversation alive.
You are not trying to impress, you are just explaining.
That mindset feels calm.
Short answers build confidence. Confidence builds better English.
And better English brings smoother talks.
So, one place, one small detail.
That is more than enough.
The rest can come naturally.
Yes, natural conversation always feels easier.
After location and size, many people like to add one special thing.
Yes, something unique.
Every place has something memorable, big or small.
Even quiet towns.
It could be a famous place or something local.
Both work well.
Some people mention landmarks, a bridge, a square, a historic building.
That helps people visualize.
For example, there is an old clock tower.
Very simple.
Or, we have a large park in the center.
That sounds pleasant.
Food is another easy option. People love food topics.
Always a safe choice.
You can say, it's famous for street food.
No need to explain every dish.
Just one clear idea. That is enough.
The listener may ask more.
Some places are known for nature. Mountains, rivers, beaches.
Those words are easy to understand.
For example, it's near the mountains.
That already paints a picture.
Others talk about culture, festivals, music, markets.
That adds personality.
You can say, there is a weekly market.
Short and clear.
You do not need many details. One strong point is better than 5 weak ones.
I agree.
This keeps your English relaxed and your confidence steady.
And the conversation stays natural.
You choose what feels comfortable. There is no perfect answer.
Only honest ones.
That honesty connects people.
And connection makes speaking easier.
After special places, many people talk about daily life.
Because people create the feeling.
Exactly. People give a place its character.
And that is easy to describe.
You can start with people. Friendly, quiet, busy.
Simple adjectives work best.
For example, people are friendly and helpful.
That sounds warm.
Or, people are calm and polite.
Very natural English.
You can also mention lifestyle. Fast, slow.
Both are common.
Some places move quickly. Work, traffic, schedules.
Others feel relaxed.
For example, life is slow and peaceful.
Easy to understand.
Free time is another good topic. What people enjoy doing.
This adds realism.
You might say, people enjoy walking in the evening.
That feels personal.
Or, families spend time together on weekends.
Very relatable.
Now, weather. Almost everyone talks about weather.
Yes, it always comes up.
You do not need details, just the general feeling.
Hot, cold, mild.
For example, the weather is warm most of the year.
Clear and useful.
Or, it rains often in winter.
That is enough.
Weather helps people imagine daily life.
And imagine living there.
People, lifestyle, weather.
Together, they complete the picture.
You don't need to sound perfect, you need to sound real.
And real English builds confidence.
Before we finish, let's slow down a little.
Yes, this is a good moment to review.
We used many useful words today. Simple words, real English.
Words you can use every day.
Let's look at a few together.
And keep them easy.
First word, hometown.
That means the place you are from.
The place you grew up.
For example, my hometown is small.
Next word, located.
This tells where something is.
Like, it is located in the north.
Very common and useful.
Another word, landmark.
A famous place people recognize.
A bridge, a tower, a square.
Every city has one.
Next, lively.
Full of life and energy.
For example, the city is lively at night.
That paints a picture.
Another helpful word, diverse.
Many different people and cultures.
This city is very diverse.
Natural English.
Now, weather words. Mild
Not too hot or cold.
and humid.
Air that feels heavy and wet.
You don't need many words, just clear ones.
Clear English is strong English.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, let's hear from you.
Think about your hometown. Just one place.
A park, a street, a building.
What place do you like most?
And why?
Write 1 or 2 simple sentences.
Short answers are perfect.
If you enjoyed practicing today, you can support the channel.
Your support helps us continue.
We're happy you practiced with us.
And we'll see you again very soon.